Want to send a birthday wish, work message, or reminder automatically on WhatsApp? Here's how to schedule WhatsApp messages in 2025, step by step. First, WhatsApp still doesn't have built-in message scheduling. But don't worry, you can do it easily using third-party apps, and I'll show you how. If you're on Android, download an app like Skidit or Wasabi from the Play Store. Let's use Wasabi since it's free and easy to use. 1. Open Wasabi and allow the necessary permissions. 2. Tap the plus button and choose WhatsApp. 3. Type your message, select the contact, and set the date and time. 4th, tap schedule. If you use WhatsApp Business, you can set up automated greeting and away messages, perfect for scheduling replies when you're offline. And that's how you schedule WhatsApp messages in 2025, whether it's a good morning text, a work update, or a birthday message. You'll never forget again. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.